Hi guys, it's Ariana. Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, we are doing the BoxyCharm unboxing. This is the June box. I believe it's the Boxyluxe because it comes every 3 months. So we are in the month of June, and it actually came relatively early this month, which is really great. Usually my boxes tend to arrive at like the end of the month, and I can't really do anything about that. That's just basically when I can post my video. May's box, I didn't even get to film until June 1st because it was literally that late. So this is the box for June. I'm really excited to open it. I have seen a couple of things online in the makeup groups that I'm in on Facebook, and a lot of people are complaining that this month's box sucks. So I'm hoping that it doesn't suck, but we shall see. So let's just jump on into it. So when I open up the box, it looks like this. All right. So this is the Boxy Luxe Box for June. We get this huge piece of paper that basically tells us all the prices, so that's great. We got styrofoam, like memory foam, so that's really great. Usually it's hit or miss if we get it, and I've noticed that when they don't send the packing material inside it and they just use like that cardboard stuff, my stuff ends up coming either broken or damaged or just not really that secure. So I'm really happy that they sent out a memory foam in this month's box. So the first thing that I see, this box actually looks really great. I don't know why people are not liking their box this month, but I'm hoping that I like it. So the first thing I see is the AMNH skincare. I've never heard of this brand before. So this is the Collagen gel. So these are eye gels. They look like this. The packaging is so cute. It's like a holographic, sparkly with like little stars all over it, and it's really cute. So you get 5 pairs. It's an anti-aging, anti-wrinkle, reduces dark circles, collagen gel eye pad. So it retails for $32. So that's already great. That basically covers the entire box for the regular box. So this one item is going to cover, if you just got the base box price. So that is really cool. I'm really excited that we got these eye pad gel things. I really like using them. So that's just an item that I would personally have chosen myself. So I'm really excited for that. So that was $32, and it says collagen gel eye pads to reduce wrinkles and dark circles. So basically everything that was on the box. So that's really cool. I'm excited. I really like the packaging. The packaging is really cute. So the next thing is from the brand Nars. So this is the Nars blush. So this brand used to be cruelty free, and then they started selling in mainland China. I believe that's where they are selling now. And so that means that they're not on the cruelty free list anymore. So I've never actually tried Nars before because I try to get as much cruelty-free stuff as I possibly can, and I don't really like it when brands are cruelty-free then switch back to being not cruelty-free. I think that's not really the best practice, but we shall see. I've never actually tried their stuff before. So this is a blush. So it looks like this. So I'm not really the biggest fan of the packaging. The packaging looks really cheap. It looks very much like drugstore packaging. I much prefer the packaging similar to like this. Like this is a blush from ColourPop. It's bigger and it has a mirror, and I think it's just really cute. Whereas this just reminds me of like makeup that I would get from like Shoppers when I was like a kid. So I'm not really liking the packaging, and I don't like the color. So I probably won't keep this. This is the Nars blush in the shade Orgasm. So I don't like the name. Orgasm should not be named in makeup. I think that is a little bit silly. I don't really like the color of it. I don't think it would be really a color that would work for my skin tone. It is very light, and I am a very pale person, but I think this would be too light for me. That's what it looks like on my hand, and even then it's pretty light. I can barely see that on my hand, and I tend to go for blushes that are a little bit more kind of like coral colors. So this just isn't really a blush color that I particularly would have went for. So I'm going to pass this along and give it to my friend just because I did swatch it because I wanted to see the color, but it's way too light for my skin tone, so that's too bad. Cult favorite, best-selling blush delivers a weightless, natural-looking rush of cheek color in matte, satin, and shimmering finishes, and it retails for $30. $30 for this, that is very overpriced. I don't agree with that. I would never pay $30 for a blush that is this size. I do like the fact that it came with a mirror, but this blush from ColourPop is so much bigger, and it was like $5, and I love this color. This color is much more up my alley. I'm wearing it on my cheeks right now, and it looks like that, if you can see it. I just really don't go for this type of blush, and it's just too light for me in particular. I really like really intense blushes. There's another one that I like to use quite often, which is the Desert Rose blush, which is this one. So as you can tell, I kind of go for like more of corally orange blushes. So it's just not a blush that I would have particularly used, but that is my absolute favorite blush color on my face, at least. So this is just going to be an item that I'm going to pass along. So it was another $30 item. That is really expensive, but I mean, that's great that we got it in the subscription box. It's just unfortunately not an item that I'm very excited about. So the next thing is the Sigmatic Superfood Face Mask with Reshi to Purify. It looks like, oh, interesting. So we got like little packages in here. We got a bunch of them, and they are sheet masks. So it is a superfood face mask to purify, and it says mix 1 packet with 1 tablespoon. Mix 1 packet with 1 teaspoon water to apply to face. Okay, so it's not a sheet mask. It's actually a mask that you mix with water and then you just apply to your face. I'm assuming like a mud mask. So that's really cool. I have never heard of this brand before, and I will definitely try this out. So the flavor is chocolate and brownies. So that's really cool. So it's probably gonna smell like brownies, and I think that's really awesome. This purifying face mask is made with real superfood ingredients. Relax while you clarify your skin 2 to 3 times a week with a mask that smells like brownie batter. And it retails for $40. Holy crap, that is very expensive. That is incredibly expensive for a face mask. So it says 1 serving size is 20 calories. So you can eat this mask? Okay, that's interesting. Rinse off after 10 minutes. I don't understand why it tells you how many calories are in it and carbs and sugar and stuff if you just rinse it off. I'm confused. That's really funny though. I will definitely try it out in the future. It looks like this. Again, very, very interesting. I'm excited to try that. I think a mask that smells like brownie is going to be amazing, but $40, holy crap, that's very expensive, and I'm excited for that. Okay, so if the lighting changed at all, my camera died, so I just had to switch the battery. So that Sigmatic mask seems really cool. I'll definitely give it a try. $40 is really awesome for a subscription box. So we are getting pretty expensive items in this month's box, and that's really cool. So the next thing is from the brand Elemis. So this is the Superfood Aha Glow Cleansing Butter, and it looks like this. It's an orange packaging, and the cleanser looks like this. So I really like the packaging. The packaging is very heavy. It feels very, very, very not cheap. Like it feels like an expensive product. So this is the Aha Glow Cleansing Butter, and it says, melt away makeup and daily impurities while leaving skin looking healthy, fresh, and glowing with this buttery brightening cleanser. A unique blend of fermented pumpkin, enzymes, and, I'm sorry, I can't say this word, Ursola cherry, rich in AHAs to help to brighten skin, while mango butter and chia seeds, or chai seeds, is how you say that? Chai seeds, oil, nourish, and hydrate the skin. Retails for $38. So this is really cool. I like the brand Elemis. I've used Elemis in the past, and I'm very excited to try this. I have only used AHAs once in the past, and if you guys are familiar with my channel, I did not have a very good experience with it. So I'm kind of nervous about trying any products that have AHAs in it, just because I have very sensitive skin, but I will definitely give this a try. So I want to smell it and see what it smells like. So it doesn't really smell like anything. I was kind of expecting it to smell like mango or pumpkin or something, but it doesn't smell like anything, and it looks like this, which is honestly fine. I'm okay with it not smelling like anything, because products that tend to have like a very fake or perfumey kind of scent tends to irritate my skin anyway. So that is really cool. So it looks like this. This is what the packaging looks like, and I think it's really cool. It feels very, very heavy. Like it's a very, very sturdy product. So that's really awesome. So far, I'm liking this box. This box honestly wasn't bad at all so far. So that's pretty great. The price of it is really amazing. That was $38 for that item as well. So we are getting some pretty pricey items this month, and that's pretty cool. So the next thing is the Triple Your Styling Power. So this is the Benefit Brow Styler. So I have never actually tried Benefit's products before. I have tried one of their products actually. It is the primer, I think. That was the only product I've ever actually tried from Benefit. And I know a lot of people like the brow products that Benefit has, but I tend to find that they're really, really tiny, and I wasn't really that interested in them. The last Benefit product we got was like a miniature brow thing, and I just wasn't interested in it, but this one's actually pretty large. So this is what I would say is a full-size product. So that's really cool. So this is the Benefit Cosmetics Brow Styler Eyebrow Pencil and Powder Duo. This 2-in-1 wax pencil and powder duo is all you need to create 3 essential brow looks. The waterproof 18-hour wax pencil effortlessly sculpts and shapes brows. The loose filling powder precise angled felt tip allows for mess-free application while building easily for a soft and natural look. And it retails for $34. So I am really excited to try this. So I have gotten a couple comments in the last little while of people telling me that they don't like my brow shape or I should try a different brow shape for my face, blah, blah, blah. I'm not the best at doing my eyebrows. I have only really started playing with different brow shapes in the past couple of months, so I'm not that good at my brows yet. So if you're going to leave me a rude comment about my face in the comment section down below, maybe just don't. Just exit out of the video if you don't like how I do my brows, because honestly, leaving a rude comment to me isn't going to make your life any better. It's just going to make you look like a dick. So I would prefer if you don't like something on my face, just to keep it to yourself, because I don't need to hear it, and that's how it is. But I have only recently started filling in my eyebrows and playing around with different eyebrows in the last year or so. So I'm not the best at doing my eyebrows. So I've already said that a million times. I'm not a makeup artist. I'm just a makeup enthusiast. I just started doing makeup about 3 years ago and just playing with it in my own free time, in my own free will. So if you don't like the way that I do something, well, I'm not a pro. So whatever. But I'm very excited to try this. I've never tried any of the Brow Benefit products before, so that's really cool, and it retails for $34. So holy crap, this box is pretty expensive so far. I'm really liking it. The next item is the Avon Hyaluronic Acid Replenishing Lip Serum. So I do believe we have got this in the past, or we have gotten something from this brand in the past that I never actually used. It's still sitting in my drawer. So I'm not that excited for this. It's a replenishing lip serum, so I don't think I needed this one. This is the Avon Skincare Hyaluronic Acid Replenishing Lip Serum, a lip serum designed to stimulously plump and nourish the lips. Hyaluronic acid works to intensely hydrate, plump, and balance moisture levels without feeling sticky. Lactic acid contributes to lightening the pigmentation and nourishing the lips efficiently. It retails for $122. That's $122? 0.29 of a fluid ounce. This brand thinks that they can sell this for $122? Are you kidding me? I would not pay for this, not even if it remotely does anything to my lips. Absolutely not. That is so fucking overpriced. Holy shit, $122 for this. This looks like a lip gloss. It's literally like the size of a lip gloss, and the amount of product in it is like what of a lip gloss. That's ridiculous. I'm shocked. That is crazy. So I may try this out in the future. I don't know. I have gotten stuff from this brand in the past, and it's always very expensive, and I've never actually used it. So it's just sitting over in my drawer full of all of my BoxyCharm things that I haven't used yet. So we will see, but holy shit, $122, okay. So the next thing is the Earth Harbor Sunstone Hair Revive Elixir. So this is the Seaweed and Jasmine Hair Reviver. So looks like this. I really like the bottle. It's like an amber style liquid inside it, and it is a cute little bottle. It's very, very simple, and I like it. So this is the Earth Harbor Fortify, Nourish, and Revive Dull Damaged Hair using superfood, seaweed, and coconut. Anti-pollution properties of jasmine and calendula, sorry if I say that wrong, calendula flowers, and ultra rejuvenation of carrot seed and jojoba oils. Massage into scalp to promote energy to hair follicles and envelope hair in a crowning aroma of fruit, flowers, and fresh earth. It's the perfect herbal tonic for tackling dry scalp and worn strands. This retails for $30 and looks cool. I want to see what it smells like. It smells very, very fruity, so I like that. It smells really, really nice. It smells very fresh. I'm very interested in trying it. That's pretty cool. I like the color of it. The color of it is really pretty, and I like that it's just in this simple clear bottle. I think that's awesome. I will definitely give that a try. And the last item in the box this month is the Dr. Brandt Say I Love You Triple Antioxidant Face Serum. So it says, with pride, visibly smooth wrinkles, and helps prevent signs of aging. So the packaging is really cute. It has the Pride rainbow on it, and I think that's really cute. I like the packaging so far, and Say I Love You with Pride is what they have on the top of the packaging as well. So that is really adorable. And the packaging has it on it as well. It has the Pride rainbow on it, which is awesome. I really like Dr. Brandt, and I'm excited to try this. So this is the Triple Antioxidant Face Cream. My absolute favorite face cleanser is from this brand. It's just so freaking expensive that I haven't had it in a couple of months. So the antioxidant enriched moisturizer provides skin with 12 hours of protection from damaging free radicals and external aggressors. It's formulated with a revolutionary A3 power, a dynamic shield boosted with antioxidant, anti-stress ingredients that help preserve a youthful appearance. And it retails for $64. That's what I mean. Like, this brand is one of my absolute favorite brands for skincare, but it retails so freaking high and way out of my budget. So that was everything that was in this month's box. So this was the June Boxy Luxe box, and I would say all in all, I'm pretty impressed with the box. The only thing that I'm really not that excited for is the blush. The blush I really just didn't need. I tend to go for more orange blushes, and this is more of like a, kind of like a pinky rose, and it's just not a color that I personally need. So I'm gonna pass that along to my friends. But out of all of the items that we got in this box, that's really the only item that I wasn't that excited for. Everything else is pretty great. So I would say my box was pretty okay this month. I wish we had gotten a palette. So now this is the second month in a row that we did not get an eyeshadow palette, which is really interesting because usually that's like the main thing that I look forward to with BoxyCharm. And we did not get one this month. So that kind of sucks. Honestly, I'm excited for some of the products. I do think that this is absolutely ridiculous retailing for as high as it did. $122 is insane. So that is something that I'm gonna have to look through my drawer and see if I have another one of those, because I do have like a memory of getting an item from Avon before and I never actually used it. So I'll have to look and see what it actually is and see if I actually want to use it. If not, maybe I can give it to a friend that could get some use out of it. But this month's box was pretty okay. I would say that I'm very excited for the Elemis cream. I'm very excited for this face antioxidant face cream, and I'm pretty excited for the hair serum because I do have really damaged hair. So out of all of the products, those are probably the ones that I'm the most excited for. And then of course, I'm really excited for the eye pads, I guess, and the face cream that smells like brownies that apparently you can eat is really interesting. The Benefit is okay, and honestly, this box was fine. I'm not as angry as the people who are in the beauty community right now are. A lot of people complained about this month's box. I don't know if they had the base box or if they had like the upper other box. There's like the skincare one that you can get. I know a lot of people were really upset that there wasn't a whole lot of makeup items in this month's box, which there really wasn't. We got 2 items that were makeup, which was the eyebrow thing and the blush. So I would say I would prefer if BoxyCharm would give a little bit more of an even box. So if we're gonna have a luxe box like this and have like 8+ items, I would expect 4 of them to be at least makeup and the rest can be skincare or whatever. But this was very heavily skincare, and they literally sent 2 face creams in the one box, and I think that's a little bit ridiculous considering I would want to try one out fully before I moved on to another one. So I feel like one of these items is going to be left in my drawer for a couple of months, and that's kind of a waste. Don't think BoxyCharm is ever going to watch my videos, but I would hope that they would start sending out half makeup, half skincare in these bigger boxes, because it's really, really heavily skincare. And honestly, a lot of the times with the skincare items that they send out, it's not things that I particularly want or need or want to try, which is kind of the downfall for subscription boxes. So I can't complain that much because it is a mystery box, and that is the point of it. You're going to get items that you don't necessarily think you'll ever want or need or think that you'll ever want to try, and you may end up liking something. But I would say overall, I'm a little bit disappointed that we didn't get very many makeup items this month, considering this is a makeup subscription box, but it is what it is. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you guys did enjoy this video, please make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below for more content like this, and I will see you guys at the next video. Bye! That's $122?